welcome back to Taz's Wig Closet. This is Taz. We're going to look at a special earring set today from JEULIA.com. Plus we're going to do a giveaway and have a little chat about this hair coming up. This earring set was sent to me by JEULIA.com. You know that I am a rep with JEULIA.com. I would urge you to go out and explore their site. Go out and check out all of their collections. In particular, some gifts for mothers, because Mother's Day will be right around the corner, as well as it's engagement and wedding season. And they have a large variety of wedding sets in all different kinds of stones and colors, and they can even customize it for you. So be sure to check out the site. If you decide to purchase, you can use my rep code, which is TERRAZ15 for 15% off. I am wearing the Renee of Paris Cameron in Sugar Cane. I have a full review out there on this style. I've also added a little bit of a short video on how to create texture in a shag style like this. I absolutely adore it, and I'll talk a little bit more about it later on. So what makes this earring set so special? In this wig wearing community, I think we're all very acquainted with and have been personally touched by breast cancer. Either we've had it or we know somebody that has had it. And a lot of times, somebody's first experience with wigs has come from chemotherapy. The symbol of breast cancer, symbolizing hope, love, and support for those touched by and going through breast cancer, is typically the little pink ribbon. So as I explained, JEULIA does specialize in that high-grade sterling silver. It's the 925 silver. It's really easy to maintain. It lasts and lasts, and it's typically way more affordable than some of the cheaper plated metal earring sets that we can get. So here is that Love and Support interlocking ribbon earring set. So it's really gorgeous. These are sterling silver stud earrings. There are two ribbons here. So the main ribbon is made up of fuchsia stones. There's over 85 stones in this earring. And then the littler ribbon is made from their white diamond stone. The main ribbon also has a rose gold tone and then a silver tone on the littler ribbon. So let's go ahead and apply. This earring set is the giveaway today. Now, this is not a sponsored giveaway by JEULIA. This is just something I personally want to extend as a giveaway today. These were sent to me for review, but I thought it would be really appropriate just to kind of pay it forward and extend that hope, love, and support for the cause. I had to remove my other earrings. I forgot I was going to put these in. Okay, so take a look. Isn't that beautiful? And I love wearing earrings and things with shag styles like this just because of all this texture, the ability to tuck it behind the ear to show off the jewelry. So how to register for this giveaway? If you drop down the description box below this video and locate the Rafflecopter link, all you have to do is click on that link. It's required of you to put in an email address. This is not for solicitation. It's only to notify you in case you are drawn the winner. The contest will be open for 1 week, and then I will announce the winners on both in the description section of this video, plus I'll go ahead and do a community post on this as well. I'm going to go ahead and put up a little B-roll here for you to see what's available on the site right now. Just a couple of different areas. I wanted to explore gifts for women because Mother's Day is coming up. There's a lot of different, very specialized gifts for mothers, including full customization, and also just women in general, celebrating our mothers, our daughters, and so forth. The other area is the wedding sets. I personally own 2 or 3 of these wedding sets, and I change them out occasionally, but they continue to wear beautifully. They always sparkle and shine and are very, very easy to maintain. And I like wearing those in lieu of the more expensive diamonds. So the earrings are going back in their packaging, ready for you. If you are the winner, be sure to register for the giveaway below. And this again is Cameron by Renee of Paris. Beautiful, beautiful little shag cut. I couldn't be happier with everything on this wig style, and it is affordable. You can't ask for more than that, right? Everybody have a great day. We'll see you again real soon right here at TAZSWIG Closet.